Hello children, today I will continue the lesson, a question of space written by Neera Kashyap. So almost we have completed 13 paragraph, right? So that many we have completed. So let's move to the next page for 90, page number 90, 14th paragraph. Okay, so 14, let's start. How will that help? Asked Vikrant doubtfully. So it will help you witness your reactions as if they were happening to someone else. By observing your body and its reactions, you also distance yourself from them. This distance will help you first see, then control your reactions, said Anuj. Okay, so here what this paragraph says. So let me recap that one. So here Vikrant was little bit upset about his behavior, and because he was feeling so much pressurized by his parents, right, regarding his medical entrance test, right. So that and all we have seen, and he got friendship with Anuj. So at that time he was asking about his, and he wanted to share, and he wanted to know how can he overcome the stress. Right, he wanted to overcome the stress, so he was asking some questions, and also he gave some suggestions. Anuj has given some suggestions how to react to the pressure. So first he told that you have to observe your body reactions and your posture, how your body changes, how it will occur, and the body temperature, how the muscles will contract each other, and breathing, how will they take the breath. Okay, that and all he told him to observe all those reactions, even mouth taste also. Sometimes when you feel so tense, you don't feel to eat anything, right? So that all those changes will occur when you feel little pressurized or when you feel little tense, right? That's and all. So then he is asking, okay, if I observe all those things, how it is going to help me? That is correct question, right? Yes, if I observe all these things, is there any, in what way they are going to help me? So he got this. How will that help? Asked Vikrant doubtfully. So innocently, doubtfully, he wanted to know that. So he asked that. Then, so it will help you. Now, who said this? Anuj is talking. It will help you witness your reactions. So it will testify your reactions. It will help you. How it will help you? By testifying. So how you are reacting. But if they were happening to someone else, so whatever the reactions that are happening in you, you can observe those reactions even in others also. So if they were happening to someone else, you have to observe those reactions as if they are happening to others. Own reactions only, you should observe in such a way that those reactions are happening to someone else. And then you will feel that you will try to control them, those reactions. Okay, let's go into depth. I think you have little confusion. Still you have doubts. Okay, in the next paragraphs we are going to clear all these doubts. Okay, so first we are telling we have to observe the reactions, body reactions, okay, own body reactions, how we are going to see, and it will help so that we can control the reactions. So this distance will help you first see, then control your reactions. First thing we have to see our reactions, and how they are going to help you. We can maintain the distance and we can try to control our reactions. Then why not observe your own body when you are feeling happy or excited or adventurous? Why only when you are under pressure? Quizzed Vikrant. So Vikrant got one more doubt. What is that? Why should we observe our body reactions when we are only pressurized, when we are feeling only tense? Only at that time itself, why we have to observe? Why not in other situation? Why not in other moods? When you are happy, when you are so when you feel so excited, when you feel adventurous that you have done any great thing, why not in those situations? Right, good question. So that also can be answered. Yes, how? Thus he said, sure, why not? Actually, our range of expression is quite limited. Okay, some situations we won't give any reactions, it will be limited, right? Sometimes we won't express any feelings. Some people will be like a stone, right? For smile, for happiness also, they won't show anything on their faces. Always quiet like a stone, they will be statue, right? No expressions in face, eyes, nothing, not even smile also. If you say very good news also, okay, they'll say okay like that. They won't give any facial expressions, no change at all, like a statues only. Okay, some people, have you observed such type of people? Maybe everyone might have seen. Okay, that's what he's asking. Vikrant is question like he's asking like that. Why not? Then he said, Anuj also said, yes, why not? We can observe that. Actually, our range of it is expression is quite limited. If we get familiar with our full range, we will become aware of all our habitual expressions. Yes, first we start with little one, with with bad expression, I mean tense, pressurized expression. After that, we will be habituated to observe all types of expressions in all types of situations, right? Then, but the next step is, first step to observe, next step is what? Practice the expressions. We have to practice those expressions. When there are no feelings to be expressed, okay, when we have to practice, when there are no feelings to be expressed, at that time we have to practice how to react, how we need to control our reactions. Second step. Okay, next, I know this sounds daft, but think, if you can express emotions without expressing them. See, what is that? Really will get confused, right? We have to, if you can express emotions without expressing them. One side is telling express the emotions, but what is another condition? Without expressing them. How? Yes, it is possible like that. Let me explain how it is possible. Like how, Vikrant, as usual, how we will get the common idea, generally we will get no same thing. So innocently also ask like how it is possible, as Vikrant. Okay, suppose you get good news. You get news that you have won a free trip to US. Free trip to the US. How would you react? Arjun, Anuj. Good question, right? So everyone likes to go to US. Everyone likes, right? So suppose you got and it is like a trip that you have won, a trip, free trip, not even paying single paisa, just a free trip it is to not even small country, but the biggest country in the world, that is to the US. How do you react? So excited, right? We can't even control ourselves, that much excited. So Arun Anuj asked this question, then see what is the reaction of Vikrant immediately. Oh, the US? Wow! So he is so exclaimed. So there is no limits of his joy. Right? Exclaimed Vikrant, giving to his body and face such an exaggerated expression of glee that both collapsed laughing. So he was body, hands, everything, face, all, he mixed everything and he began to laugh like anything. That much happiness is overwhelmed, his joy is overwhelmed, really couldn't control him. That much being exaggerated his expression, collapsing here, collapse laughing, that much, right? How we sometimes in school and all will do, no? So if a teacher or anyone says some joke, how do you laugh? Oh, so we'll clap our hands. Some people will beat others side who and all sitting next to them, they'll beat on them, right? So they somewhere they will be expressing their joy, and that is called reaction here. And self-observation happened on its own much sooner than Vikrant expected. At dinner that night, his father asked Vikrant, okay, that conversation over, and Vikrant started to observe himself, self-observe, underline that, self-observation happened on its own. So immediately he got his point and he began to follow that much, because if friend says no, immediately he'll follow. right? If parents says we won't, if teacher says we won't, but our friend says no, immediately he'll follow whatever they say, right? So even Vikrant also like that. At dinner that night his father asked, okay, that was the dinner time. All together they sat and they began to have that dinner. At that time, as usual, as a family dinner, right, they'll be having the talk, family talk will be there. So as they were talking with each other, Vikrant father asked, Vikrant, have you found out which is the most suitable coaching center for your medical entrance tests? Again came, right, like ringa ringa roses. So and again he began to ask the same question. Father is always medical entrance. His mind is medical entrance. Anyhow, his son should get the seat in this prestigious medical college. So again he began to ask the same question. Then Vikrant said, no sir, no. He said he didn't find, no, he didn't have the time. Always he's spending his time with Anuj. Even he is skipping his regular classes, that and all we have seen in last class. So right, when can he go and find out the good coaching center for medical entrance test? No, right. That's what he said, frankly, no. Then, no, what do you mean, no? If you still have not found out, when do you intend to enroll? Still, so even his father got angry. Okay, still now he didn't find at least which college you need to join. Then, when can you enroll yourself in that college? He got a little anger and he began to scold, shout at him. Then, I don't know, I am already full of with tuition, he said. Recklessly, right? I don't know, I am already full up with tuitions. Okay, so many tuitions are there. There is no time for me to go and search which college is good which for the medical entrance test, which coaching center is good. I don't have time to go and search. Then see, he is telling biology will be there, no, biology, botany and zoology will be there, no, bio, maths, physics, chemistry, all these are there. I am filled with the tuitions itself. It is very tough for me. I can't do tuition. Vikrant noticed that his mouth was dry, and while he was talking, while he is expressing and he is giving the written, he is answering to his father's question. So at that time he began to observe his feelings. He noticed what happened first. His mouth began to dry up and his head tight at the temples. Forehead will be there, no, the temples, it will be it become tight, and his body also slightly hunched. These are the three changes occurred in Vikrant's body while he was giving this answer to his father. Then so he began to observe. Then 24. Tuitions for medical entrances are not just tuition. They coach you for a career, for a highly competitive exam. One wrong answer could make all the difference. It would be better if you turned your attention to investigating a coaching center rather than spend time with junkies and irrelevant things. Finished Vikrant's father. So even he got little angry and he began to say like that. So you have to, these are not only medical entrances, the tuitions for medical entrance, just not for tuition. So it is depending upon you, they will give good knowledge. Okay, it is for highly competitive exam. It will be good for your future. Okay, and one wrong answer. So if you write any one wrong answer, so it makes so much of difference. You lose so much of marks. Right, even negative marks will be there, right? So that's what, it is not easy thing to get medical entrance test success. So he told, better to spend good time for searching good coaching center instead of spending time with junkies. Means unnecessary things will be there which are not at all useful for you. So indirectly he is scolding him because he had the friendship with Anuj. So indirectly he is warning him better to cut off those friendships and better to cut off the junkies and irrelevant things instead of spending such time, best precious time, and wasting the time like that. So better to go and search good coaching center. Then Vikrant noticed that his father's last remark sent a strong wave of heat through his otherwise very body, galvanizing him to leave the room without another word. So he became little silent. He observed his father's last sentence. No, he could listen and he became silent. He didn't give any answer. So he began to observe how it was affecting his body, the changes. Okay, but he was controlling, but he didn't give any other word. Just he left the dining room to his room. And Vikrant knew these conflicts were not getting him anywhere. Okay, all these changes he began to observe, but they are not leading him to anywhere. That's what he got doubt. Then see, it was not as if he felt medicine was all wrong for him. He didn't feel like that medical is not good for him. He didn't feel like that. He just did not want to be bulldozed like this. Okay, bulldozed means what? Bargaining. So he doesn't want to give time for these things. So he want to manage the time, but he was unable to manage, and he was unable to give much time for the medical entrance test and all. Okay, that's what, bulldozed into working 3 shifts a day. Okay, how much? 3 shifts a day, 6 days a week. That much time had been spending for the medical entrance test, and also one side the tuitions will be there. He felt he needed time to pursue his own interests and pleasures, especially after his meeting with Anuj. So he wanted to spend time for his own interest. How long I can spend time only for my studies. So he wanted to be relaxed, especially for spending his own interest, like maybe drawing will be there, right? Own interest means personal. Some hobbies will be there. He wanted to play. He wanted to play cricket, like. So some interest will be there to draw, watch TV, play, talking with others, playing with others. Like some relaxation, some enjoyment, some entertainment, some recreation, he need it. Okay, especially when he got that idea, when he got that feelings, especially after his meeting with Anuj. After meeting Anuj, no, he got his idea and he got his desire. Okay, I want some time to spend for my personal interest. I wanted to do something for my personal interest, means that was entertainment. Anuj spoke to him on various issues of the beginnings of life, the places he traveled to the elements he used to compose a photograph, self-observation. If you can express yourself without feeling, you can feel as well without expressing, he had said. Okay, he began to, Anuj also spoke to him so many things about his beginning, how he was in his life when he didn't start his photograph, or he was about to start his photograph business and all. So he began to share everything, and he gave one suggestion that if you can express yourself without feeling, you can feel as well without expressing, he had said. Then when alone, Vikrant tried to practice emotions he had not experienced. Whatever Anuj said, so he began to observe everything and he began to practice it, but he was unable to experience those things, whatever Anuj said. At first, these were of joy, spontaneity, excitement. Okay, at first, in the beginning day, so it was good for him. He was feeling little excited, and so I wanted to do. All the feelings were coming out spontaneously, they were coming from one after the other. But when he felt more neutral, he practiced a wider range: suspicion, hostility, daring joy, scorn, each with its accompanying posture and gesture. So all these when he get doubt, suspicion, hostility, daring, joy, scorn, so all these different characteristics, different situations, how can he express the feelings, how can his feelings will be there? Like that he began to practice it wider range. Okay, all body postures, the gestures, everything he began to practice, and everything he was observing those feelings when he get joy, when he was not feeling well. So when he get doubts anything, how it will be, how his face will be, how he body temperature, everything he began to observe and practice those his experiments with his self observation. This is called self observation, helped him see a whole range of his body reactions. Entire body from top to bottom, he began to observe his body reactions. Okay, and also the effect that different emotions had on the body, and how the mind got involved with this. But things did not seem to change with his parents, who he realized would continue treating him like a child, so as long as he just chuffed and reacted. Though he was practicing whatever Anuj said, observing his body reactions and all, controlling his reactions, everything, but he couldn't see any change in his parents' reactions. I mean, parents' treatment, how they were treating, it was same as usual. Nothing change occurred in his parents' behavior. I mean, the treatment, how they were treating, he was feeling that they were treating him like a child. He was feeling that he is grown up. He wanted to express his own feelings. Like that's why sometimes, especially the teens, will be thinking like that. We know everything. We want freedom. We don't want to be controlled by our parents. Right? So that's what the same thing was happening in Vikrant also. He doesn't want to be treated like a child by his parents. If of course nothing he wouldn't change, then he said, don't worry too much about the change, advised Anuj. Anuj said, okay, you no need to worry about the change, let you whatever see. Noting Vikrant's discouragement one evening, so you can't really change anything till things are ready for change. Very important statement for your lifetime, underline it. So you cannot really change anything, right, until the things get ready for the change. Until then you can't change anyone or even anything. Just do your part. That's what, right? Very good, important statement. Right? So whatever that you can do, you do it automatically. When the correct time, the right time comes, automatically the things will get changed. You no need to worry about the change of the things that happening in your life that you have expected. It will happen, but in the right time. That's what is told. So you no need to worry about the change. Yeah, but it does not help, said Vikrant with dejection. So he felt little bit worried and little bit not encouraged. So he said, but he didn't how it will be helping. Still he had doubt, like how you people now have. Right? And he thought for a long while. Then he spoke. If you really want to go to get control over a situation, there are two more steps for you to practice. The moment an active feeling comes. Okay, now two more steps he told. What are those two more steps? So still Vikrant need to practice still two more steps. The moment an active feeling comes, what are the steps? Which see here, feeling which you think should be controlled. So if you think the moment any active feeling comes that you feel that okay, this feeling I need to control, then make a note of it. He told that you make a note of it then, but don't express it. So whatever feeling that you feel to be controlled by you don't express, just note it. Okay, next time when this situation occurs, I need to control myself. For example, in order to for example, you don't want to speak any negative word when your parents are telling anything. So okay, you wanted to change yourself. When your parents, your mother or father or teacher scolds you, you have decided that you should not say any bad words. You should not react to those words in the negative way. You have decided. But at a time, first time it will not happen, right? For example, today you have decided, the next morning itself you got scoldings with your parents. Okay, yesterday before day you have decided not to say any back answer to your parents. But first today you will say, you are about to say, but as you keep on practicing, you will be controlling yourself. Okay, I should not say. I have to obey my parents. Whatever they say, I have to obey just. Like that, first step, he said. What is the last step? Asked Vikrant. So Vikrant is so excited to learn the last step even. So almost mechanically asked. The last one is difficult, replied Anuj. Last one is difficult. This step involves expressing an emotion opposite what you feel and can be done only if you are agitated. You observe this but choose to express calm or warmth instead of coldness. He said, okay, what did these steps into? Emotion, expressing an emotion opposite what you feel. So if you feel laugh, you should not laugh, you have to cry. If you feel to cry, you have to laugh. Like that, opposite reaction we have to do. That's what Vikrant said to do, Anuj said to Vikrant for the last step. As simple as that, laughed Vikrant a little hopelessly. Okay, you are telling it is simple. Okay, so hopelessly, he was feeling that it is not possible for him. Then Vikrant kept up his exercises in self-observation, practicing emotions. He did not feel, even attempting not to express feelings that came up hot and strong. Okay, when you feel loss, warmth or calm, cold, so he doesn't want to express the feelings also. As usual, he want to be like that only. He felt small stirrings of change. Then at last he could observe something was happening in his mind. Okay, some change happened in his mindset. He could see things more objectively even when he could not. When the things were a little bit okay now, okay, without any change, something was good. Control, he could not control his reactions before and all, but his parents were pushing less, listening more. He noticed that instead of both of them speaking in one voice at points of control or friction, one spoke while the other refrained. This was leading to much more interaction except on the subject of Anuj. Okay, so then he got his, even nowadays his parents were pushing less and listening more. So they began to listen to him, and then they have stopped little bit putting pressure on him. This and all he would. Nowadays he noticed that instead of both of them speaking in one voice at a time, they used to talk. Both, if father starts to scold Vikrant, even in the back, mother will be putting the fire. Encouraging him. Oh, okay, you boy, you are not all ready. Yes, your father is telling right. Like that, both at a time they used to take. But now they have stopped. Only father is calling, mother remains silent. If mother starts to scold, then father remains silent. Like that, the changes were happening because of Vikrant controlling the reactions. Are you still hobnobbing? Okay, still like that with that character. What is his name? Okay, now mother asked. Okay, mother understood that anyhow Vikrant was so much impacted by the friendship of Anuj. So he began to ask her, still you are having the friendship with the Anuj? Okay, what is his name? Mother began to ask. His father's silence was expectant. Vikrant observed his temples tighten, his hunched. Father began silent, but he didn't say the name. Shoulders, so he was observing his body reactions. Oh, Vikrant. Shoulders straightened out in a confrontation. His pulse became irregular. And his name is Anuj, mummy, he replied. Anuj Jain. Anuj is a friend. In fact, more. He teaches. From him, I have learnt many things. Things that are hard to explain. Okay, he shared everything about his friendship with Anuj. His name is Anuj Jain and he is my friend. He is good. I learned so many things from him. Okay, things which are dirt or hard, I can't express that many things I could learn from him. Yes, but he will not be sitting for your entrance test. Okay, maybe it's good and he explained everything and he was supporting you. Okay, that and all okay, but he is not going to write the entrance text on behalf of you, right? He said. Will he? Ask. If you lose your grip on class 11, you will never catch up in class 12, said his mother assertively. Okay, if you can't pass first 11th standard, how you are going to promote to 12th standard? Like that, he said. As Vikrant felt his temples throb, a sudden calm entered his heart. Okay, suddenly he began to control his reactions. Okay, little bit he could feel little happy, calmness, pleasantness in his heart. If I am allowed space for new interests, I will also find space for what is important for a career. He said quietly. Okay, I will be, if I have found some space to, if I get some time to show my interest, to spend time for my interest, personal interest, then definitely I will get time for the medical entrance also, for my future also. Like that, he shared his view to his mom. This time it was his father who spoke. At last, father said, okay, fine. Try to achieve a balance. We will be with you. Now it was balancing. The relation become little bit healed. What happened? So he said, okay, they could understand Vikrant's mentality and Vikrant's position also. So because he told, no, even I need some time to for my personal interest. I want to perform for some personal interest also, like playing or something, whatever it may be. Then his mind will be free, right? So he shared his his view. And then his father also said, okay, you will be having, but even we have to maintain the time. Like that is a good time, right? Good thing. You have to maintain the time. Study time should be there. Entertainment time should be there. Yeah, but as you are growing up, you have to reduce the entertainment time and spend time for much time for studies. So like that, you have to balance. A disciplined timetable you have to maintain. That will be good. Then at last, at the end of class 11, Vikrant, okay, anyhow he could able to finish PUC first year. Vikrant enrolled for classes at a coaching center for medical entrance test. Anyhow, after completing his 11th standard, he enrolled his name in the good coaching center he found, and he was preparing for the medical entrance. He did this with an awareness that it was the right thing for him to do. So he could understand, and he had the good awareness, he got it regarding his future. So whatever his parents were compelling him to do, so it was for his good.